high school.
Okay.
Because they'd like to close some more schools.
Oh.
You know?
Pull.
She's gonna teach that rope a thing or two. Uh-oh.
What am I singing?
Is she, oh! Almost. Oh! Have you seen The Never-Ending Story?
No, never.
He looks a little bit like the dog on that right now.
Poor Katie has to go walk the dog.
Feels like I'm walking a dog.
Don't try.
That was funny.
I know, that's because I let go.